On May 22, 1960, everything felt normal in Valdivia. People were going about their day. Shops were open. Families were at home. There was no warning. No sign that something unimaginable was about to happen. Then, without any notice, the ground began to move. At first, it felt like a typical earthquake. Chile was no stranger to seismic activity. But this time, it didn't stop. The shaking grew stronger and stronger. What people didn't know yet was that they were experiencing the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in human history, the 1960 Valdivia earthquake. The shaking intensified beyond anything people had ever experienced. Buildings began to collapse. Roads cracked open. The ground itself started to split. Entire sections of land shifted and sank. People struggled to stand. Some were thrown to the ground. Others tried to run. But there was nowhere safe to go. This wasn't just an earthquake. It was a rupture of the earth on a massive scale. The 1960 Valdivia earthquake reached a magnitude of 9.5, the highest ever recorded. And it was only the beginning. As the ground continued to move, entire neighborhoods were destroyed. Buildings collapsed in seconds. Infrastructure failed across the region. In some areas, the land sank so much that water rushed in, flooding entire sections of the city. But the disaster didn't stop there. The earthquake triggered massive tsunamis that spread across the Pacific Ocean. Waves struck coastlines far beyond Chile. Places thousands of kilometers away felt the impact. What started in Valdivia became a global disaster. The aftermath of the 1960 Valdivia earthquake was devastating. Thousands of lives were lost. Entire communities were left in ruins. And the effects were felt far beyond Chile. Tsunamis reached places like Hawaii and Japan, causing additional destruction. This event changed how the world understood earthquakes. It led to improvements in monitoring and early warning systems. But the scale of what happened remains almost unimaginable. A single moment, when the Earth itself became the threat,